In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a vignette to your photos, pictures, or even images in Adobe Photoshop in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. The first step is to click M on your keyboard, assuming you have your picture loaded and you're ready to create the vignette effect. And this will bring up the marquee tool, or the second option. And you want to click the elliptical marquee tool, or the circle icon. Click, hold, and drag on your screen. And as you notice, it will add a circle or an oval. The next step is to go under to layer, scroll down until you see new adjustment layer, and click brightness and contrast, and then click OK. You can move the brightness to the left and it makes the image darker. And notice if I move the contrast to the right, it also makes the image darker. On your keyboard, click Ctrl+I. And as you can see, it inverted the effect, and that's exactly what we want. Last but not least, we want to go to filter and go and locate blur, Gaussian blur, and we're going to add a blur effect. Now 10 pixels isn't too bad, but we can still see the edges or the fuzz. So I found that the sweet spot is 50 pixels, and then click OK. And this is what we have. If you want to add more of the vignette effect and add another marquee, and then go back to layer, new adjustment layer, and you can add a levels or a curves or even an exposure. And you can mess around with the settings, and then again Ctrl+I, and it inverts it. If you want to see more content like this, drop this video a like, comment down below, subscribe, or follow the channel. Share the video.